Home workouts have become a popular way to stay fit and healthy. They offer flexibility and convenience. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. You can burn fat efficiently right in your living room. Consistent workouts can transform your body. Burning fat at home is all about using your own body weight. This means you can exercise without much space or tools. Home workouts can be quick but effective. This is especially useful for people with busy schedules. You fit them into your day easily. The best part about home workouts is the privacy. You can try new exercises without feeling self-conscious. You get to focus on your form and progress. It's your personal space for achieving your fitness goals. Embrace it and see the results. Circuit training is a great way to lose fat quickly. It's a dynamic and versatile workout method that combines various forms of exercise into one powerful session. Whether you're looking to shed pounds, build muscle, or improve your overall fitness, circuit training can help you achieve your goals efficiently. It combines cardiovascular and strength exercises, creating a balanced workout that targets multiple aspects of fitness. This combination not only helps in burning calories but also in building and toning muscles. This approach keeps your heart rate high throughout the session, ensuring that you're constantly in the fat-burning zone. Additionally, it helps in improving cardiovascular health and endurance. More muscle means more calories burned even at rest. This is because muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue, leading to a higher resting metabolic rate. Each session involves different exercises, targeting various muscle groups and keeping the workout interesting and engaging. This variety ensures that you're working your entire body and not just focusing on one area. You move from one exercise to the next with little rest in between, which keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes calorie burn. This fast-paced nature of circuit training also helps in improving your agility and coordination. This method keeps your body challenged, preventing it from adapting to a single routine. The constant change in exercises ensures that your muscles are always being pushed to their limits. It prevents plateaus in progress, which can often occur when following the same workout routine for an extended period. By constantly varying the exercises, circuit training keeps your body guessing and continuously improving. Your body adapts and improves with each session, leading to noticeable gains in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. This progressive improvement is one of the key benefits of circuit training. This keeps your fat-burning fires lit, ensuring that you're burning calories not just during the workout, but also long after it's over. The afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, is a significant advantage of high-intensity circuit training. The variety in circuit training makes it exciting and less monotonous compared to traditional workout routines. This variety can help in maintaining motivation and consistency in your fitness journey. You won't get bored doing the same routine over and over again. The constant change in exercises keeps things fresh and interesting, making it easier to stick with your workout plan. It's also effective for people at all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. The exercises can be easily modified to match your fitness level, making it an inclusive workout option. Beginners can customize exercises to fit their abilities, ensuring that they're not overwhelmed and can progress at their own pace. This adaptability makes circuit training accessible to everyone. As you get stronger, you can increase the intensity of the exercises, continuously challenging yourself and avoiding stagnation. Circuit training is also incredibly time efficient. You can complete a full-body workout in just 30 minutes, making it perfect for those with busy schedules. This efficiency means you can get a comprehensive workout without spending hours in the gym. It's perfect for home settings as you don't need a lot of equipment or space to perform a circuit training workout. This convenience makes it easier to stay consistent with your fitness routine. With dedication and effort, you will see results. The combination of fat loss, muscle gain, and improved endurance will become evident over time. Fat loss, endurance, and strength come with consistent practice. By sticking with your circuit training routine, you'll achieve a healthier, fitter, and more resilient body. Start with a warm-up. March in place or do jumping jacks for 5 minutes. This prepares your body by increasing your heart rate and loosening up your muscles. It reduces injury risk and gets you ready for the workout ahead. Make sure to keep a steady pace and focus on your breathing. Next, move to the first exercise in your circuit. Begin with squats. Squats are excellent for building strength in your legs and glutes. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. This stance provides a stable base and ensures proper form. Lower your body as if sitting back in a chair. Keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Do 15 repetitions. Squats help improve your balance and coordination. Next, transition to push-ups. If full push-ups are difficult, try them on your knees. Keep your body straight from your head to your knees. This modification still works your chest, shoulders, and triceps effectively. Lower until your chest nearly touches the floor. Aim for 10 reps. Push-ups are great for upper body strength. Then, switch to lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips. Ensure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Alternate legs for a total of 20 reps. Lunges are excellent for working your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also help improve your balance and stability. Continue with planks to work your core. Planks are a fantastic exercise for building core strength and stability. Hold a plank position on your forearms for 30 seconds. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Rest for a minute. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups including your abs, back, and shoulders. Repeat the circuit 3 times. This repetition helps build endurance and strength. Finish with a cool down. Stretch your muscles gently to relax and improve flexibility. Focus on major muscle groups like your legs, back, and arms. Hold each stretch for at least 20 seconds. This helps reduce muscle soreness and improves your overall flexibility. Correct form is crucial to prevent injuries. It also ensures effectiveness. Always focus on your posture. In squats, keep your chest up and knees behind toes. This protects your joints. During push-ups, maintain a straight line from head to heels. Avoid rushing through exercises. Quality is more important than quantity. Slow, controlled movements engage muscles better. Take your time to execute each rep correctly. This enhances results and safety. Common mistakes include arching your back in planks. Keep your body aligned. Avoid letting your hips drop. In lunges, ensure your front knee doesn't go past your toes. This maintains balance and prevents strain. Listen to your body. Rest if you feel pain, not just discomfort. Learn to differentiate between the two. Proper form and mindful practice lead to better outcomes. You'll improve faster without setbacks. Section 5. Staying consistent and motivated. Consistency is key in any fitness journey. Without it, progress can be slow and frustrating. But with a consistent approach, you can achieve your goals more effectively and maintain your progress over the long term. Set a regular workout schedule. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Treat it like an important appointment that you cannot miss. This helps in building a routine that becomes a natural part of your daily life. This builds a habit. Over time, it becomes second nature. You'll look forward to each session. The more you stick to your schedule, the easier it becomes. Eventually, working out will feel as routine as brushing your teeth. Create a motivating environment. Set up your workout space with minimal distractions. A clean, organized space can make a big difference in your motivation levels. Add some personal touches like motivational quotes or posters. Music can be a great motivator. Create playlists that energize and inspire you. Choose songs that get your heart pumping and make you want to move. Music can turn a tough workout into an enjoyable experience. Watch workout videos for guidance and inspiration. There are countless resources available online, from professional trainers to fitness enthusiasts. These videos can provide new ideas and keep your routine fresh and exciting. Track your progress. Keep a fitness journal. Documenting your workouts and achievements helps you see how far you've come. It's a great way to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Note down your workouts and achievements. Seeing your progress boosts motivation. It's rewarding to look back and see the improvements you've made over time. This can be a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward. Celebrate small victories. Each step forward is a success. Recognize and reward yourself for your efforts. This positive reinforcement can help you stay committed to your fitness journey. Stay connected with others on the same journey. Working out with friends or joining a fitness group can provide support and accountability. It's easier to stay motivated when you have a community cheering you on. Join online communities or local fitness groups. Sharing experiences and challenges helps keep you motivated. You can exchange tips, celebrate successes, and find encouragement when you need it most. You're not alone in this. Support from others can be incredibly encouraging. Whether it's a friend, family member, or online community, having someone to share your journey with can make all the difference. Section 6. The role of diet in fat loss. Exercise is vital, but diet plays a crucial role too. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Eat plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods support your workouts and recovery. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for energy and performance. Drink enough throughout the day. It aids in digestion and nutrient transport. Proper hydration also helps control hunger. Avoid processed foods with high sugar and unhealthy fats. They hinder progress. Instead, opt for healthier snacks. Nuts, fruits, and yogurt are great choices. They provide energy without excess calories. Remember, it's about balance, not deprivation. Enjoy treats in moderation. A healthy relationship with food is important. It sustains your body and keeps you energized for workouts. Section 7. Adapting routines for all fitness levels. Everyone starts somewhere. Adapt workouts to suit your fitness level. Beginners should focus on mastering form. Start with fewer reps and lighter intensity. As you gain confidence, increase the challenge. Intermediate exercisers can introduce variations. Try adding plyometric movements. Jump squats or clap push-ups add intensity. They engage more muscle fibers. This increases calorie burn. Advanced individuals can incorporate resistance. Use household items like water bottles for added weight. Increase circuit rounds for a longer workout. Push your limits safely and progressively. Listen to your body's cues. Rest when needed. Progress at your own pace. Everyone's fitness journey is unique. Customize routines to meet your goals and capabilities. Section 8. Long-term benefits of regular home workouts. Home workouts offer lasting benefits. They improve cardiovascular health. Regular activity strengthens your heart. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases. You also enhance muscular strength and endurance. Mental health benefits are significant. Exercise releases endorphins. These chemicals boost mood and reduce stress. Regular workouts improve sleep quality and overall well-being. You'll notice increased energy levels. Daily tasks become easier. Fitness improves quality of life. You gain confidence as you reach your goals. This positivity extends to other areas of life. Long-term commitment to home workouts leads to sustainable health. It's an investment in your future. The benefits go beyond physical appearance. They contribute to a happy, healthy lifestyle. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the journey. Embarking on a fitness journey is empowering. Home workouts offer an accessible path to health. They fit any lifestyle. Consistent effort yields results. You'll burn fat and gain strength. Stay patient and persistent. Change takes time. Celebrate each milestone. The journey is as important as the destination. Enjoy the process. It's an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Stay motivated. Remember why you started. Keep your goals in mind. Surround yourself with positivity and support. You have the tools to succeed. Embrace the journey. Transform your life one workout at a time. The rewards are worth it. You're capable of achieving your fitness dreams. Stay committed and thrive.